Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a very quick video. We're going to unbox this Clarke 135TE Mig Welder. Stay tuned. So if you guys are subscribed to the channel, you will be aware I've picked up a 1965 Ford Mustang. I have also picked up a bunch of floor pans, cowl, hatch replacement panels, and along with that other bits that will eventually need to be welded onto the Mustang. I do have an old Clarke welder. This is a no-gas flux core welder. It's very messy. With the amount of metal work I need to do, I did not want to use this guy, so I've been out and picked up the new Clarke. Being such a common welder, there is a lot of parts available, easy to get hold of, and there seems to be quite a lot of knowledge online about it. So I figured I'll do a very quick unboxing, show you guys how it comes and what you get. So they're all attached. So the whole thing pull out like so. I'm guessing this is a foot, and these are the wheels. Have I got this wrong? I thought this came with some gas and a mask. So when I looked online, I'm sure this said it came with a mask, which I wouldn't have used the mask, but I did expect a mask. In fact, actually, we have no wire, but the wire is probably already installed, I'd imagine. So we have, this must be the feed for the gas. This will be for a strap to hold the gas bottle in place. We have no regulator. Ah, right, I wonder if, let's have a look. Ah, right, here we go. That's a door. Right. On the other one, this actually comes off. All right, we do have some free gas, that's nice. And the wire and the regulator. We have the hardware and whatever that is. Is that a handle? Comes with regular gas, which will be fine for testing and playing about and trying to learn this machine. This will be the ring to attach the bottle to the rear. Not entirely sure. Oh, right, is that for the wheels? Yeah, that's probably for the wheels. That mask is terrible. So I'm guessing that goes to that, and they should be, oh, this is probably off the mask also. If that is mask equipment, that can go in the bin. I just need this stuff here and all of this. We have the trigger, we have the earth cable, and obviously the power. I'm guessing this goes like so. We'll have some bolts to fit into there. I'm going to assume these black ones go into there. I thought this may have came with a grip on the end, but it does not. There is a hole at the end. So this must be the lens. There's a couple in there for the mask. Alright, so that must go on the end. So we've got that in place. The handle is on the top. And the next step will be the wheels. So let's get the wheels installed. I think This must go at the front to balance the machine out. I thought one went this side, one went that side, and the wheels would go towards the back. One set of legs has pins quite wide apart. The other one has pins much closer. The closer ones correspond to these, and the wider match these ones. This one will go in like so, and this one at the back. That is the legs in place, so I'm going to guess this fits down inside of here, like so. So the wheel must go on. This clip, I'm guessing, has to go on the end. Put the wheel and the clip on the other end, and that should be it. Unsure if this is the correct thing to do, but what I did is put the clip on using a socket, put the socket over the end, give that a few light taps of a hammer, and that will seat this in place. And that is the wheel in place, so hopefully these should not come off. So, time for the gas bottle. So let's undo this clip, because I'm guessing that needs to go through that hook. We'll just feed this through there. I guess this can probably be tightened up a little bit now, because the bottle will need to be fed through the actual bracket. And that is one installed gas bottle, which is actually a lot better than I expected. It is quite snug. We have instructions. I've got away so far without reading these. Pretty sure it's, is it a push fit? Yeah, it's a push fit. So I should, well, let's get this on top first. Make sure it's set to 0, which it doesn't actually go to 0. It's kind of on 6 is off, so that's not right. So if that screws on, nothing should technically come out. Yeah, so that works. Push in and pull. I don't like this hanging over the edge. More comfortable, I think, with that position. So if we put the gas to say 6, which is max, and you pull the trigger, a lot of people hate on these because they have such a small bottle, they have such a small feed. The regulator is quite a cheap, usually useless regulator. So let's test it and see just how much gas we're getting out of this. That's full trigger and we're at about 4. This was very, very cheap, so we won't take that as a legit test, but we have 4 to 5 litres per minute. I wonder if I should have put some PTFE tape on this. I don't know if it's required. I didn't see a O-ring or anything on the inside, so I probably should take this back off and put some tape on and put this back on. Okay, so it actually has got an O-ring, so we should be good. So the next step will be the wire. this comes with 0.6. I thought it came with 0.8, but that'll have to do. So we're on 0.6 and we have 0.6 wire. So let's turn it on. Mains. I guess we just feed that through. Pull that down, clamp it in, and hope for the best. The gas is turned off. I think something has got stuck. The wire is at the tip, so that's started. Let's try again. There we go. Is that a 0.6? Yeah, 0.6 tip. That's what we need. The shield over. Comes with a 0.8 and a 1 tip, so we have no spares of the 0.6, which is a shame. I'll have to go out and pick up a pack of these because I will probably burn through quite a few of these. When you're an amateur welder, as I've done in the past, I tend to weld up the actual tip, so I'll make sure I get a few more spare ones. This is something my dad does with these, and I think I'll continue to do it on this machine as well. Basically, put the tips on a piece of wire and find somewhere to hang them. So I've just noticed this has some hooks that I think, yes, you can actually hook these into here. I think that's what that's for. So yeah, I'll just leave them hanging like that. Everything seems well made. What I don't like is the earth strap is attached. You cannot disconnect it. It would have been nice to remove this and possibly remove the gun and put them all inside of here and then close it up and you can store it away. I'm now going to have to basically bundle all this together and just have it kind of hanging, I guess, off the top of here. But it's not the end of the world, but it just makes it more bulky, and when you're a bit tight for space, I would prefer to be able to store them inside this big space. So turn it on. The gas is still turned off and we have a working gun. You can adjust the feed speed. I'm guessing I'll probably keep it about there for the time being. I'll probably have this on maybe 1 and max. I'm guessing that's what I'll try it on. I'll just play about with these settings and find out what I like. I don't know if that's supposed to be lit up. It's translucent, which to me, I would have expected that to light up to show that it's actually turned on. So I'm not too sure if that is faulty, but I'm happy, guys. I think this, for what you pay, £311.98. I would say you get quite a lot for your money. This has fantastic reviews. A lot of people use this to repair car body panels and they've always said great things about it. So in a future video I will come back, I will test this out and see how well it performs. I may even compare it against this old boy here. This it does work, but it's very messy. That could be a future video, comparing the 90s no gas welder with the modern gas welder. I do have a bottle of CO2 and argon gas mix, which I picked up when I bought this. Reading online, that seems to be the perfect mix for bodywork panels on a car. This will probably get used up in practice because I'm an amateur welder and I need to become better before I tackle the Mustang. This is a cheaper gas bottle. I'll use this up, and once this is used up, hopefully I'll have the confidence and the basic skills to basically replace the floor pans on the Mustang. So with that, guys, for the time being, I'm going to wrap this one up. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for me using this in the future. And like always, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.